Welcome back to the vault, my friends. This time around, some real, true blue, sleight of hand wizardry. So you got to work on this one. You can't just download it and do it in 5 minutes. You're going to have to put some real time in on it. But once you do, you're going to blow people away. It's super visual. Not only can you vanish the coin, but you can change it into all kinds of different objects. Eric Chien does a beautiful job of teaching this. And once you have this in your back pocket, you'll never look back. You're never going to look back. You're going to be that guy, that girl. You're going to be a true wizard. So this is it. This is Coin by Eric Chien.